Hey everybody, it's Jimmy here at Colton RV and Marine. Boating season is in full swing here, so today we wanted to bring you yet another model you can enjoy being out on the water on. So let's get started. Behind us is a 2026 Sylvan L3 DLZ bar. We'll show you what the bar stands for in a little bit, but to go over the exterior of the boat, color schemes on this, it looks awesome in our showroom. A couple people are here buying RVs and boats today, and we've heard a couple compliments on it. It is called Wave Blue. It's very bright, looks awesome on the water. It is married with a black accent stripe, and it also has a blackout package. So when we're talking blackout package, we are powder coating all the rails to black, and in conclusion to the rail keeper, which is a big reason why people buy this particular model, and we'll show you that when we hop in. It also has an automatic bimini. Really nice, easy to use, flick of a button. And then we have all the lights going on, guys. So this boat does have docking lights. It's gonna help you load your boat onto the trailer and help you get in and out of the docks at night. So come aboard with us. Again, you can see we like the flip lounger in the back, and this is a flip lounger. But you'll see the back, how it's equipped. It's one of the favorite layouts everybody uses, the big bed. Now, when you move into the L3 model in Sylvan, across the industry, they're going to have the largest bed, square footage of padding that you see. But one of the bigger reasons why people buy Sylvan and this model, one of the reasons is the height of their furniture. You guys can see the furniture is big. When you're looking at other pontoon models, I always have people sit down, and then I'm always asking them where your shoulder blades are at. So you can tell this seat comes up to my shoulder. A lot of boats almost come to the middle of your back. So when the boat is in motion, this is a triple tune 150 horsepower Yamaha. When the boat's in motion, you feel like you're being hugged by the boat, which is a big factor in your buying process. But you can see all the nice stitching that the L3s come with, all the designs. The upholstery is really, really nice. These boats have had a facelift in the past about 18 months with Sylvan. We think they did awesome. You can also get this boat in a platinum, which we do have in our inventory as well. But a lot of our customers like the dual captain setup. So if your spouse and you want to just take a ride out, it's a little bit easier having a big boat. This is roughly about 24 feet. So sometimes you have nights where you want to go out and you don't have a lot of people. You want to be comfortable in areas you're sitting in, so we noticed that the dual helms are a very, very, very popular option. Moving to the helm though, it's great. You almost feel like you're in a cockpit of an airplane. Everything's easily labeled. You can kind of see we have a couple of the things on right now. We have interior lights on right now. You have navigation on and docking lights on. But what I like is this boat does have a battery switch, but it also has a master power switch up here, which will kill anything that you have running that you possibly not want to use a switch for. But full instrument panel, you'll see the Humminbird Helix 5 up there. That is also a chart plotter. So we'll kind of show you here, GPS is there. What I like about this unit is when you go out, it will ask you to make a trip. It will pretty much put a path behind this little icon here of the boat. And if you guys, stay out at a restaurant later, or you're just enjoying fireworks somewhere, you can get on the line of the boat and it'll track you back to your dock safely. What you'll also get out of these features are obviously your depth, GPS speed, water temperature, and you'll see what time it is also. But a great unit. You can split screen this a couple different ways. That's obviously both GPS. Here's pretty much a demo of you can do a fish finder and leave your GPS on the screen, or you can just go straight fish finder as well. And you can just split screen this thing. The Helix 5s are a great unit. And with the purchase of the boat, we'll walk you through the unit really easy. But moving forward, you do have wet sounds here. You guys heard on my other videos, when you're in the marine space, wet sounds is the stereo to have. So it's Bluetooth ready. You'll see all these nice speakers down here. This boat has multiple speakers throughout the boat, and what is also nice is as you're moving through the speakers, we'll move up to the bow here, it has an interior light package, so you're getting lighted cup holders, and then you're also getting lighted floor as well. The floor is fully vinyl, so Any mess, anything will just run off. Nothing really absorbs to this floor. You also have USB ports up in the bow. That's a nice feature everyone's looking for. Sylvan puts them everywhere throughout the boat. You have it at the helm. You also have it back near the lounger in the back. And then this boat being a triple tune, we're going to maximize the space and get you a ski locker, which is in the center floor of the tube. And these things are massive. So we probably have the cover stuffed down in ours, but this is about a 7.5 foot, 7 foot cavity. And it's great for tubes, skis, wakeboards, anything that you don't want to leave on the floor, you put in the floor. But I'm going to jump past Mike here and show you back here 2 reasons why people buy this boat. So a couple other models. So when you get this model, you're going to put it in this position. And when you're lounging in this position, if you do not have a door right here, you need some type of rail keeper to make you legal. So when you're riding in this position, the back has to be closed off so riders do not obviously fall in the water. You'll get stopped by the boat cops. Now, other brands, some people do not like chains. People do not like rails all the way back to the back like Bennington does. Barletta does the chains. Sylvan probably has the nicest setup to where, you know, when you have like Bennington has a rail keeper here. Now, if I'm sitting here, I need to get up. I need to move this passenger. You can guys see I can walk all the way back here. So if someone's lounging here and here, this person doesn't have to move or vice versa. Just really, really easy, thoughtful way to have space accordingly back here. The nicest thing I like about this, Pontoons years ago made 4 gates. They had transitioned to 3 gates. Sylvan went back to a 4 gate. You think it's not a big deal, but with the rail keeper, you have a gate back here in this L3. So you can put it's a nice spot to put a grill over here with your riders, you know, enjoying the water, getting up and on off of this side. You guys see the awesome lily pad ladder. You've seen in other videos. It's the best ladder to have on the boats. It's incorporated as a standard feature on this option, or this boat, sorry. And then before we move to setting up the bar, you guys can tell the ski tow bar is just massive. So you've seen some cheaper versions on other brands. This thing, I wouldn't say it could tow a boat, but it is sturdy and beefy and it looks great sitting on the back of this L3. But if you're looking for, you know, you go shopping for a boat, some people want dinettes, some people want, you know, the most popular layout, which you're looking at here. This is one of our best-selling floor plans for Sylvan, just because it's a 2-in-1 boat. So you can do all your water sports set up this way, but then when you get in the Erie Canal or you go to Canal Side or any body of water, if you're on Chautauqua, you want to go in the Bemis Point and enjoy, you know, go in for a meal and then have a couple of cocktails on your boat. This boat will transform into the coolest thing. So what it'll do is we're just going to pop it up here and a bar top comes on. You can enjoy this bar top while someone's lounging in that position. But what is awesome, really cool, is this side will also come up. And then you have these 2 latches that will suck the 2 countertops together. Latch like so. There's another one back here. There's also USB ports back here to plug your phones in, cup holders for your cocktails, and then the coolest part is you guys have probably been wondering in this video what these benches are. They are your bar stools. Really easy. You can see how easy they come out of the porch. You just lift up, over you go. So you can go tubing all day, enjoy a meal out on the water, or enjoy a meal up at one of the cool restaurants in Tonawanda that we frequent, and come back out and enjoy the boat traffic on the water, because it's one of the most enjoyable things to do in Tonawanda. But you can see how this is set up. They are removable. They go up and down. I'm gonna sit in one and show you guys. But they will retract, come up to height, come down in height. Really thoughtful layout. Sitting back here, we have a remote for the stereo, so you don't have to get up and change it. Just a really thoughtful layout. One of our top sellers. It's a good investment to buy 2 boats in one. But if you guys want to see this layout, it is in our North Tonawanda and our Orchard Park locations. So come check them out. Again, we do have boats in Orchard Park. The guys down there do a great job for us. So if you guys are interested in making an appointment to look at this boat, or just get any other information on it, give us a call. Our number is 716-694-0188.